Welcome dear student. So in our previous video we have covered about acceleration, different two types of motion like a uniform motion and non-uniform linear motion. Okay, and acceleration. So if student, if you have any doubt in the till now chapter, you can check out my playlist again. Okay, so we have covered positive and negative and zero acceleration in our previous video. So today we shall going to study about distance time graph for uniform motion. That means we will see that how the distance time graph is plotted for a uniform motion. Now first of all, student, tell me what is a uniform motion. Okay, so if an object covers equal distances in equal time interval, then it is said to be uniform motion of that particular object. We will see how the graph is plotted of distance time graph. Okay, so the following table shows the distances covered by a car in a fixed time interval. That means a car is moving with a particular time in seconds, and it will cover particular distance. Okay, so draw a graph of distance against time, taking time along the x-axis and distance along the y-axis in this figure. That means here we have to plot the graph for a car which is moving in a some time interval. It will cover some distances, and we have to take time along the x-axis and distance along the y-axis. Now for plotting the graph, we know there are two axes, x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, so on x-axis we have to take here time in seconds, and on y-axis, that means in vertical axis, we have to take distance in meter, which will car will cover. Okay, now here alongside one table is given to plot a graph, data is given to plot a graph. Okay, first on x-axis the time in second is given, and distance in meter is given. Now here you can observe in 0 second. Okay, in 10 second it will cover the distance of 15 meter, 20 second it will cover the distance of 30 meters. Now let's plot a graph. So this is our x-axis and y-axis. So scale is taken on x-axis, that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 second, and on y-axis once sorry in y-axis 10 centimeter is equals to 20 meter. Okay, now sorry 1 centimeter is equals to 20 meter. Now let's plot. Now here data is given, that means 0 second it will cover the distance of 0 meter. Okay, and on 10 second, that means 10 second it will be on x-axis. So in 10 second it will cover the distance of 15, that means somewhere it will be here. Okay, and in 10 second, okay, in 10 second 15. Okay, now in 20 second, it will cover the distance of 30 meters. So the graph will be here, point will be here, and in 30 second, that means here 30 second it will cover the distance of 45. That means somewhere here, this is 50 now, so in between 40 and 50, so it will be here. And in 40 second cover a distance of 60 meter. Now in 40 second 60 meter, directly we will plot here. And in 50 it will cover the distance of 75, that means somewhere between here. And in 60 meter, sorry, in 60 second it will cover the distance of 90, that means in between 80 and 100. And in 70 seconds it will cover the distance of 105, that means between here, somewhere between here. Okay, so as you will observe the graph, you can observe properly, you can see we can say that as the times increases, the distance will be increases. That means this is a graph of uniform motion, graph of distance time graph for uniform motion. That means an object, a car will cover equal distances in equal time interval. Okay, so on page number 6, it is given that an object in uniform motion covers equal distances in equal time intervals. That means if there is uniform motion of an object, it will cover equal distance in equal time interval. Just now we have seen on page number 5. That means how the distance will increases with equal time interval, and thus the graph between distance and time is a straight line. Okay, so you student, if you will observe that a graph is a straight line from the origin. Okay, sorry, there is no scale. So it will be a straight line. Now use your brain power. In the distance time graph above, that means in previous page, what does the slope of the straight line indicate? That means this is a uniform motion. As the distance will increases, as the time increases, it will cover equal distance in equal time. Okay. Now second, we have distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Now in previous page we have we have plot the distance time graph for uniform motion. Now here it will be non-uniform motion. So what is non-uniform motion? That means if an object will cover unequal distance in equal time interval, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. Okay. So the following table shows the distance covered by a bus in equal time interval. Draw a graph uh, of distance against time. The taking the time along x-axis, that means on this axis, this is our x-axis, so this we are taking the time on x-axis and distance along the y-axis in this figure. Okay, so this is our y-axis, so here we have to take the distance. Okay, and does the graph show direct proportionality between the distance and time? Now direct proportionality means uniform motion, we have seen now. Okay, as the distance will increases with equal interval of time, but here the graph will not show direct proportionality. Why? Because the object will cover unequal distance in equal time interval. Okay, now here again the data is given for to plotting the graph time and distance. Now let's see here. Okay, so in x-axis we have to take time in second, on y-axis we have to take distance in meter. So this is a scale, that means 1 centimeter is equals to 1 on x-axis. There is 1 centimeter is equals to 5 seconds. Okay, and on y-axis we have 1 centimeter is equals to 10 meters, right? So let's plot a graph now here, 0 to 0. Okay, now next will be 5 second, it will cover the distance of 7, like here. Okay, and in 10 second it will cover the distance of 12 meters, so it will be like this. And in 15 second it will cover the distance of 15 second it will cover the distance of 20 meter. And in 20 second it will cover the distance of 30. In 25 second it will cover the distance of 41. And in 30 second it will cover the distance of 50. And in 35 second it will cover the distance of 58. So 58 will be somewhere here. Okay. Okay, so we have plotted the graph of distance time graph for non-uniform motion. So student, here the distance changes non-uniformly with time. That means that the cover equal distance equal interval of time. So be straight line. Thus the bus is having uniform motion. So student, that's okay. Next we will cover in our next video. Thank you.